Always feel lazy and unmotivated. Struggle to get things done, no matter how hard you try. The good news is, you're not alone. Many people deal with laziness, but the great thing is, it's fixable. Today, I'll show you 6 simple but powerful ways to stop being lazy and get more done. Number 1. Set small, clear goals. One of the biggest reasons people feel lazy is because tasks seem too big and overwhelming. The secret? Break big tasks into smaller, clear steps so they feel easier. Instead of saying, I need to clean my whole house, start with something small like, I will clean just one table first. When you accomplish something small, your brain releases dopamine, the motivation chemical. This makes it easier to continue and build momentum. Before you know it, you'll be crossing off bigger tasks effortlessly. Number 2. Start with just 5 minutes. Sometimes, the hardest part of any task is just getting started. That's why the 5-minute rule is so effective. If you don't feel like working, just tell yourself, I'll do it for 5 minutes only. What happens next? Once you start, you'll likely keep going without even realizing it. This trick works because starting something reduces the mental resistance. And before you know it, you're deep into the task. The hardest part is getting started, but this method makes it effortless. Number 3. Remove distractions. Laziness often comes from constant distractions that make it hard to focus. Your phone, social media, TV, or even background noise can steal your time and keep you stuck in a cycle of procrastination. Here's what you can do. Turn off notifications, put your phone away, and create a distraction-free workspace. If possible, set a dedicated work time where you focus only on what needs to be done. Out of sight, out of mind. The fewer distractions you have, the easier it is to stay productive. Number 4. Use the 2-minute rule. We often delay small tasks, thinking they're unimportant, but over time, they pile up and make us feel overwhelmed. A simple way to fight this is the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, just do it immediately. Washing a dish, replying to a quick message, or making your bed. These tasks are small, yet they stop laziness from piling up. The more you take action on tiny things, the more productive and disciplined you become naturally. Number 5. Get moving. Even a little. Believe it or not, laziness is often a physical issue, not just a mental one. If you sit too long, your energy drops and your brain starts feeling tired, making you unmotivated. The fastest fix? Just move your body. Even a quick stretch, a short walk, or just one push-up can instantly boost your energy and motivation. Why? Because movement increases blood flow and oxygen to your brain, waking you up and making you feel ready to take action. So, the next time you feel lazy, don't overthink it, just stand up and move. Number 6. Reward yourself for taking action. Laziness often wins because we don't feel rewarded for taking action. But here's a trick: train your brain to associate work with instant rewards. For example, after finishing a task, give yourself a small treat, a cup of coffee, a 5-minute break, or even a favorite snack. This builds a habit where your brain starts linking work equals reward, making it easier to stay productive over time. The key? Celebrate even small wins. Laziness isn't something you're stuck with forever. By setting small goals, taking quick action, and rewarding yourself, you can train your brain to be more productive. Which of these 6 tips will you try first?